how to change Binance crypto website language in easy, fast way. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Binance.com website language in easy, fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance.com. Now this is my language, it's English. Now if you want to change the language, just go here to the top corner and click on this one here, and then choose any language that you want here. For example, French, and it will change it. If you want for example, Portuguese, like this, or even if you want whatever you want here, just click on it and it will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching till the end.